There are opportunities all around you in the automotive and residential industries. But why stop there? The sky is the limit with Dustless Blasting. Dream big and get plugged into huge industrial projects that need a dustless blaster.
It seems like we're going more after the commercial and industrial work. I bought this business for myself and my son, and I figured it would be something him and I would do together, but it went a opposite direction. I now have multiple rigs and multiple employees, and we're traveling the east coast of Florida.
Imagine yourself pulling up to a job like this. For weeks at a time to complete large-scale blasting projects. Being out on a job site like this means new contacts, consistent work over time, and ultimately more revenue. Remember, owning a dustless blasting business has no limits. Dream big, blast bigger.